In this video, we are going to watch about the brainstorming and gamestorming. So brainstorming, as we discussed in the earlier video, both the methods are used to collect the ideas from our team members. That is, we have to collect the maximum possible ways or ideas for a problem. So the maximum possible ways can be derived and the best solution can be filtered out for the problem. This is one of the helpful method which is practiced in the industries. So where the team members will sit and understand the problems and they will identify the maximum possible solutions. So for this process, they follow some basic rules. One of the basic rule is no criticism. That is, whether the person suggests one of the best ideas or logical ideas or not a logical idea or not a suitable solution, he should not be criticized. His language should not be criticized. His way of approach should not be criticized. Whatever he says should be recorded, and everybody should be treated as equally, and they should be given equal opportunity. Sometimes the unusual ideas are also welcomed and it may be a better solution. So sometimes out of box solutions also will be a best idea for your problem. So the main purpose is to focus on the quantity of the idea, not on the quality of the idea. So the brainstorming, we have to collect maximum number of solutions for a problem. That is, it may be 100 solutions, or you can collect more than thousands of solutions for a problem. So maximum numbers is matters in the brainstorming sessions. And you can combine and improve your ideas. So you can combine many number of ideas and you can also suggest the best ideas for it. So, in many cases, in many industries, these brainstorming rules may vary. It need not to be the same for every time. So, as we earlier said, we also given suggested 4 different ideas, and in the basic ideas are same. And here they added some, that is giving time to think. So we should not rush up when we are getting ideas. We should not rush up. We have to give or provide them time to think, and also you should not force them to participate in this idea since they need to express their idea freely, and this will help us to get the better solution. And also, we have to record everything, whatever the things they suggest should be recorded. And also, we can, uh, since it's like a gaming activity, we can fix a time and we can do this in a regular period of time or regular days. So that our project will get improvised better in better way, and these things will help directly for a product based companies. So since the service based companies focus on the client based upon completely client decision, but in product based companies these brainstorming sessions will really help us to bring the best product in the market. So these are few brainstorming sessions which are followed in industries like associate storming, which is here the ideas are shared in more words as a single or a group. Brain writing, here they write in some piece of paper, that is some everyone must share some 3 points, or you can fix it anyway. That is some you have to write, and we have to do it as in a group, and we have to make some constraints. So that we can get more ideas. Next is free storming, where they give the ideas independently and they discuss in a group. Finally, in a group, they will discuss and they will derive the best quality ideas. Virtual storming is an online method of doing this brainstorming. And role storming, here it is an interesting one where you actually play as a customer or a client and you have to think in their way. So, how the customer or client will feel and what they will actually require. So, you have to play their role and you have to suggest ideas and you can ask many questions so you can derive a better product. Uh, Also, there is a five voice method where we have to create some five five voice questions and mind mapping, which is one of the famous brainstorming where you visually display your ideas in a mind map chart. And round robin method is a simple game which we play in our early ages, childhoods. So just form a group and everyone must give idea in a sequence way. SWOT analysis is also followed in major areas and it also comes in the Gamestorming too, where we have to create a matrix with strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So we have to collect the ideas and we have to paste in the where it fits. So whether your ideas are fitting in the strength means you have to fix your idea. You have to write your idea on a piece of paper and you can fix the ideas in the particular area. You can say this idea will improve the your project and this will weaken your project and here we can have more scope opportunity in this product and these ideas will be a threat. It has to be considered. It is a risk factor. So this analysis will help you to filter the ideas. Crazy Eight is a fast sketching way. So these are a few methods or types and brainstorming method. So there is the game storming method and whatever, as we earlier said in the divergent process, when completed, it should be narrowed down and we have to filter in the convergent process. The why five whys will really help you to filter the ideas. Game storming is also a method where we do this process in a way like playing a games where we set a play area and we treat the our team members as a players and we frame rules and goals and we discuss our ideas and we will discuss result and we will declare a result winner based upon the best ideas and we can give appreciations rewards badges for them. So this can be conducted in a paper post methods or online methods. We can adapt many brainstorming methods in this pattern too. Uh, so collaborating is one of the major things. As we earlier said, no one should be left alone. Everyone must be participating based upon their willingness, and everyone's suggestion should be collected and recorded. Then only we have to do the filtering process. And here are a few game storming methods like empathy gaming, where we collect the ideas in a piece of paper. And like SWOT, here we separate a chart based upon some categories. It need not be like the chart should need not to be divided in like in the image. You can fix up any heading. You have to fix the papers suggested sticky papers. Mostly they use the sticky papers for these purposes. And this method is a 7 P's that is people, purpose, product, process, and preparation, practical concerns, and pitfalls. So your ideas must be uh, suggested based upon these topics and you have to filter your ideas. This is one of the method. And forced ranking, after collecting all your ideas and list, making it as a list, and you have to rank. You have to ask all your team members to rank the ideas, and you can rank whichever is a sensitive information which has to be treated more. You can rank in ascending order or a descending order. You can mark. You can decide whatever way you can decide the marking schema, and based upon the major suggestion, you have to decide which thing should be needed or which should be removed and which should be given higher priority. So these can be derived using this method. And cover story is like creating like a scripting animation like cartoonic images. You can create the way how the products is going to be executed. And similar to the previous method, here you use the dots dot voting. So how many members suggesting and preferring these ideas or preferring these solutions can be derived through this method. And storyboarding is one of the comical way to represent your ideas. And SWAT, as we discussed earlier, SWAT here for section 8, all your ideas has to be fitted in this section 8. So these are few storming methods which are adapted in industries and which are followed, and this will be helpful to identify your ideas and identify the best solution for your project. So we will see in the next video. Thank you.